So today is it's a red day recap. I took one trade and it was a loss. Uh, my entry was according to plan, but the stock flushes on me and I lost bigger than intended. I was only planning to risk like $5, but I lost $7 because I got caught in a flush. So my trading today was how I did my entry, and here's my screen. So right here, I watched this stock. Yeah, I watched this stock went from here all the way to the 250. That's a very, very nice move. And it's all green candles too, right? And the reason why I entered 218 here is because I thought it was going to be an ABCD. Like it went up and then it come back down for a pullback, B, right? And then bounces off VWAP. And then I enter around VWAP. And it went, the plan was to sell for, and like, let's see. Yeah, it was just on the 48s or yeah, it was just on the 48s, 58s around there. So 150 risk reward. That was the plan. And the plan was for it to actually break out, higher. But instead, it went to like the 20s and then it basically flushed down. And why did I say that my entry, what I could have done is waited for it to actually crack this downtrend. Yeah, for it to actually crack the downtrend before I actually enter. Because as you can see, the stock never actually cracked the downtrend. Here. And my entry were good. My risk was 208. Just that it was a flush and I cannot control that. So basically, yeah, all I can control is my risk. And I got stuck in the flush and it hit down and I exited at 203.05. So 5 cents bigger than I would have wanted. But it was also good that I actually exit. Why? Because this is what happened to the stock the whole day. It basically never came back up. It faded all day. And I was tempted, one thing for sure, I was tempted to buy around here. But I told myself I already took my one trades of the day, and it's a loss, and I should stop trading, and that's what I did. I stopped trading. I went back to pretty much it. I stopped trading. I was still focused on IMAC and see where it has been going, and I was happy that I took my losses. It was it was a good trade overall, just based on like cutting my losses, but uh, the slippage and stuff like that is bigger than what I wanted it because it was a flush. I cannot control that, so it's all right. At least it's still smaller than a bunch of my gains though. So yeah, I lost bigger than I intended to lose, but it's still all right. So overall, that's basically it. That's my trade for the day. IMAC was a nice mover, but it failed. Another trade for today was VXRT. It was gapping up in the morning, and I was watching it, and I didn't like the. Another plan that I made was to buy around here on the higher low for the break up here, but I didn't like that it cracked the low. It eventually moved back up, but still, I already traded IMAX, so pretty much it. Yeah, right here, a nice ABCD. SINO, a nice ABCD at 9 o'clock. Entry would be 256, 257, so around the 260. Risk 252, 250. So risking like 8 to 10 cents. So I could probably enter with 50 shares, and it moved from it moved like 60 to 70 cents. I would have only called like maybe in the 90s, but still I missed it because I stopped trading after this. Yeah. So took my one trades. It's a loss, but I can reckon it's good that it's good that I can recognize that this is an ABCD right here. So I traded IMAC one time, took a loss of 725. So just with that, I gotta be like really careful tomorrow because tomorrow could be a short squeeze Friday, and you know took a loss. So gotta stick with my plan. Don't revenge trade. So yeah, one trades 0 to 1 trades a day. If I don't see my pattern, I don't trade. So again, my mistakes was not letting it actually break the downtrend before I actually enter. If it breaks the downtrend for a confirmation, maybe more confidence with the trade. But overall, yeah, SINO has a nice ABCD. So IMAC has a failed ABCD. Let's see what else. SINO, nice ABCD there. Let's just analyze SINO for a bit. Even though for the rest of the day it faded, maybe if you caught this move, catch me at the move. That's like a 60 to 70 cents move. So it's a 20 to 30% move from the 250. And what else is there? Fossil. Let's check Fossil. These are from my watch list this morning. In the morning, you might be able to trade right here. Yeah, it's a 10% risk. It moved to 60, so still a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward, just based on the overall chart. Very nice too. So Fossil. The clear so far right now for ABCD this morning was SINO. Right here. Yeah, this is the clearest ABCD that I've seen. Still, it is a it is a higher low though. See? It is a higher low. B is higher than this move right here. What else is there? BRTXQ. That was a former runner, OTC former runner. AKER. Nice move there. Can I see an ABCD pattern here? VXRT, I think we already went over that, right? Yes. This move could have been a worthy entry right here. If it was able to break out of 538 and possible has a possibility of going to like the 560, but it failed to break out double top, triple top, and tried to retest again. And after hour, it has traded sideways in the low fives. So that is a potential look. That's a potential look, potential watch for tomorrow. GCP and Q, JC Penny went down to an OTC. Nice afternoon panic. Dip by. Solo. Solo, let's see. It's in electric vehicle play. Nice ABCD right here. This whole move right here. Nice ABCD. The risk is quite tight too. And it moved higher all day. So solo is something to watch for tomorrow. It's in the electric vehicle play, so it's in a hot sector, that's for sure. With Neil and yeah, with Neil. If it doesn't dip to closing it when the market closes, potential gap up. I'm not sure what the news is though. I'm not looking at the news right now. I'm looking at the pattern. Hmm. Indicates a nice afternoon move. AYRO right here. Nice ABCD right here. AYRO. And it break the high pullback, taking some profits there, and moved to 329. So entry here risking around. So entry around like the DO5, DO7 around here, risking DO1. So basically a tight risk. Could enter with 100 shares. And so 126 risk reward, very nice. And it actually never came back to the risk level. Could have held a 1 to 10, 1 to 12 14, 1 to 14 risk reward, 14 times your risk. If held all day, very nice. AYRO, it's something to watch for tomorrow. For sure, I haven't checked its history yet though, but it's a familiar ticker. HPI, that's another familiar ticker. Once again, in ABCD setups. But this one's it's a wider one. It's a wider setup. Had to be like really patient on it. It's basically a 40 minutes move. Take 30 to 40 minutes move for actually to actually move all the way. Still, never came to the risk. So risking like 20 cents. So enter with 25 shares. It moved like $2 a share. So that's very nice. Something to watch for tomorrow. HPI is a former runner too. CLNE. It has been running. Oh yeah, it's looking like a pump. CLNE is something to watch. It's kind of overextended, but it is something to watch. Something to watch for. Hmm. This right here. Risking, wow, 3 cents. 3 to 4 cents. And move higher. WTR H. And WBO. Zood. Neat. Ooh, Neat is running in. Array. I'm just looking at the 1 minute chart though. I'm not going like in depth on like the histories and the catalysts. Let's check out after hour runner. Ooh, CBAT is running. That was a previous squeeze along with SPI. HFOV is running. HOFV. I don't like this ticker. Last time was like very, very halted. Okay, this one's, it is something. It's looking very, very similar to GTEC and others ticker that it was traded sideways in the after hour. If it doesn't gap down, there's a high likelihood of it going up. It was an earning play. NAVB. Estimated loss of okay. I think it beat the estimate, so that's why positive reaction from the markets mean a positive reaction for you. So it looked like it's grinding back up. So there's possible gap up, and the conference it's already over. So that is something. AWX, not too overly traded after hour, but it is something. So yeah, overall, SINO, SINO, I say this move right here is the clearest ABCD for me. In the 1 minute chart, this move right here is the clearest and best ABCD that I've seen today. But yeah, took a loss, a small loss, smaller than my wins. My wins. Just need to like stay disciplined, don't revenge trade after a loss, and stay along with follow my rule of only trading 0 to 1 trade a day, and aiming for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. As long as like, my losses are smaller than my winners, and I'm I'll grind up. So, and that loss was on IMAC, and I see that a lot of long took some losses if they actually trade the backside. It has a nice up um, front side though. Preferably it might be like a squeezes, but nice move. And that'll be all.